Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can record a screen with the Samsung Galaxy M51. So there's a screen recorder already included, so you don't need an extra app for. Let me show you how you can go there. So just scroll down here, scroll down a second time, and now we will have a second page here. And here is the screen recorder. So if you tap now here on the screen recorder symbol, he's asking you for the very first time some things to allow to have access to the storage and so on. So you have to allow it, and then you will see finally this one. And this one is very important because it's asking again you for the sound source. And if you want to record the screen without any sound, with just the media sound, maybe for games or something like this, or for media sound and the microphone, maybe if you want to explain something, maybe for a tutorial or something like this. Okay, so I would recommend you to enable also the mic, then you can hear also your voice if you want to say some, and start the recording now. So then we have a countdown here. So now the recording has started, so all your actions will be recorded here. And then you will have here a little tool, and I don't know if you can see that. If I tap here, you have the opportunity to go here on the pen to draw something, maybe if you want to show something, and you can also remove it here with the arrows again. You have the opportunity here to enable your front cam, maybe if you want to be visible also for other people, if you show something, maybe at games or for tutorials and so on. So very, very nice. And yeah, the last symbol here is of course to stop the recording if you are finished with. And then the recording has stopped. And let me show you some more features. So if you scroll down a second time, go here on the page, we have here the icon for the screen recorder, and below you have the written word screen recorder. And if you tap now on the written word screen recorder, then you will have some settings here. So you can set up again the sound source and so on, and you can set up also the video quality, so the resolution of the video. I would recommend you, in case you want to have good quality videos, choose the 1080p here for full HD. If you don't want to use too much storage, so I would recommend you to take a lower resolution. And if you want to be visible, as I've shown you before, you can go here on details. And here you will have also the opportunity to make this mini screen a bit more large or a bit smaller. Okay, where to find the screencasts after? Of course, at the gallery, at the category pictures, you will see all your pictures, also the screen recordings and other videos and so on. But I would recommend you to go here on the albums, because here the screen recordings have their own folder. Yo. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.